Hey there, beautiful viewers. Today, we are diving into a topic many of you have asked about: how to get rid of hip dips. If you are ready to enhance your confidence and sculpt your figure, just like in this picture, you are in the right place. Hip dips are a natural part of our body, but we understand that some of you might want to reduce their appearance. Remember, your body is amazing just as it is, but there is no harm in making yourself feel even more fabulous. So let's get started. First things first, what are hip dips? Hip dips are those slight inward curves on the sides of your hips. They are caused by the shape of your pelvis and the distribution of your fat and muscle. No worries, it's all part of being human. Now we are going to show you 5 fantastic exercises that can target and tone your hips. These are included. Number 1. Squats. Squats help strengthen the muscles of your legs, thighs, hips, and butt. To perform squats, stand with feet shoulder width apart, lower your body by bending your knees and hips, keeping your back straight, then push through your heels to stand up. Repeat for a full body strength workout. Number 2. Lunges. Lunges can help tone the glutes, hammies, quads, and calves. To do lunges, step forward with one leg, bend both knees to 90-degree angles, and push back up to the starting position. Repeat with the other leg for a great lower body exercise. Number 3. Side leg lifts. Leg lifts target the tensor fasciae lati TFL, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. For the side leg lift, lie on your side. Lift your top leg as high as comfortable, then lower it down. Repeat to target and strengthen your outer thigh and hip muscles. Number 4. Side hip openers. Side hip openers target the outer thighs, hips, and side glutes. To perform side hip openers, stand with feet hip width apart, then shift your weight to one leg and lift the other, moving it outward to the side. Return to the starting position and switch legs to enhance hip flexibility and strength. Number 5. Donkey kicks. Leg kickbacks can help tone, lift, and strengthen your butt. To do donkey kicks, start on your head and knees, then lift one leg with a bent knee, pushing your heel upward toward the ceiling. Lower and repeat for a buttocks and lower back workout. That's a wrap for today. Remember, it's all about feeling good in your own skin. If you are on a journey to reduce hip dips, you have got our full support. Keep working on yourself, stay positive, and love the skin you are in. And thank you for watching.